Bonjour, hello, welcome to Max Mountain World. Welcome to my workshop. I'm being down here just helping someone out with something. Occasionally I get asked by clients, by other people, to help them if I have tools that they don't, or even just using the workshop here, which I've done today with something. Sometimes these things are a bit different. This one's different. The guy's just sent me a text message saying that he's finished the finals on it. He's going to bring this thing down and test it. So I thought I'd just do a video on it. This is a good one. I don't know if I'll get a shot of it or whatever. We'll just need to see, but pretty good one anyway. Check this out. It's working.
With all the special bearings.
Oh right, yeah.
Here 6 on this one, 6 on this one.
And so what was repaired? What did we repair?
Sorry?
What did we repair then?
We repair here on the linkage. On this one. Here you also have bearings inside.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And
I see the pieces now. Yeah, yeah.
And this one was broken.
Right.
And that's why this one was touching that there.
Okay.
Because it go. And this is the pedal what you hear.
Yeah.
And I keep my foot. That's okay, I think.
Yeah. I looked this up on the internet.
Yeah.
And they call it, in England, they call it the MICYCLE.
The MICYCLE?
Well, you have tricycle with 3 wheels,
Yeah,
2 is bicycle,
yeah.
1 is mono, MICYCLE.
MICYCLE, that's the first
I
time
think that's a good name.
I hear this.
Emergency stop. Nice. Okay, so that's I called it, yeah, what did I call it? The me wheel. Is that right? Yeah, my wheel, yeah. So quite an interesting little object, and this guy's obviously an expert, so that's the way it goes. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Ciao. There's no problem going uphill. It seems like the repair worked anyway. I lost him a bit there. It's too fast.
Au niveau de l'herbe par là-bas. Hein. Parce que là, on va le casser. Là. Oh non, j'ai raté. Léna m'a touché. Waouh, t'as vu ça?
Nice. He wasn't happy with that. Oh no, he's coming back. Yay! Whoop, whoop.